Hello everyone. So I was literally making coffee, as you can see, and I decided that my little coffee cart, tea, and all my recipe books has kind of gotten out of hand, and I think it's really cute. But this has gotten disorganized, and I was going to sit down and like pull everything off and organize it, but I thought you guys might want to watch me do it because I like watching that kind of stuff. So that's what this is gonna be. Daisy says hi. Hello. Okay, I know it doesn't look like I've done that anything, but I have put away the things that are not going back on here. And then right now I'm going to put everything away except for the cookbooks. I'm still deciding on if I'm going to keep all these like from Home Chef and stuff. Probably won't. Those will probably go out to the bin. I'm excited I found this because I thought I got rid of it. And this will be very helpful this year, hopefully. So I'm going to wipe everything down as it goes back on. And then put it up. And then I'll go through my cookbooks in a minute. Okay, I'm literally surrounded by books. I say I'm not going to put these in any specific order, but who knows? I completely forgot I had a lot of these. So, yeah. I'm just going to try to right now get the big stuff with the big stuff and the little stuff with the little stuff. Things that'll fit on this shelf and these over here and see how it goes. So, let's get into it. Okay, I am all done. It looks so much better. And it only took like 30 minutes. And that's with like moving the camera and stuff. So if I didn't do that, it probably would have not taken as long. So I have my coffee cups here with my cute little decor, and my stirrers. This is where I keep the coffee pot, obviously. Down here I have all my teas, cocoa, extra coffee, and this is all tea. This I pretty much cleaned out. It's kind of useless with it being wire, so, oops, sorry. I have some just coffee filters. Here, the only thing on the shelf is this, so that's kind of nice. And then my books or cookbooks are organized by, there's Asian cooking here. I kind of wanted to keep all the ethnic food together, but my Asian ones are really tall, so I put them here. And then I have just general cookbooks. And then here I have all my other ones. I have German, a lot of Mexican, and then I have some fun ones. I have a Gilmore Girls one, and then a Disney one. And then these are homemaking ones, so bread, canning, crock pot. This one's really cool. My dad found it at a, this one right here. Found it at a thrift store, and it is all Bisquick recipes. So yeah, that is that. I hope you like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know. Heart it, whatever it is, and yeah, let me know that you liked it.